Howdy everyone, this is Tricia and welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be making this delicious vegetable pizza on phyllo dough. Here is my main ingredient. I've got some asparagus, a red onion, some baby portobello, some mini sweet peppers, tomato. I'm going to use a little bit of the zest and the lime juice from there. And I've got my phyllo dough because I'm going to make my pizza on this dough. Look at the one in the picture right there. That's how I got the idea of making a little veggie pizza. And then I've got here a little assortment of some cheeses. I've got some brie, parmigiano, and some goat cheese. And of course I've got some butter. And I'll be using some olive oil as well. So I've got to chop all this up. Ta-da! And there you go. My veggies are prepared. Now I've got to prepare my phyllo dough. The phyllo dough comes with 2 packages and each package has 10 sheets. I'm going to lay each sheet and brush it with some egg, and I've got a little bit of olive oil in there, some pepper, and some garlic powder. So I'm just going to brush and then layer the sheets on top and make one pizza, and then I'm going to create the second one just the same. Phyllo dough is ready for the oven, and it is going into a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 10 minutes. We want these to get crispy and puff up a little bit. I am baking them before I put the veggies because I am going to put the veggies in a pan and saute them, and then I'll be laying them on the phyllo dough. But I want the phyllo dough to bake first. Okay, and in this pan I've got my asparagus. I added a little bit of oil in there, and I've salted them, and I've added some pepper and some garlic powder. So now I'm just going to saute them, and then I'll turn them a little bit around and saute the other side and pull them out and do the rest of the veggies. And I forgot to pour the juice of 1 lemon onto them and watch them steam. Alright, here's my asparagus, and it's time to go ahead and pull them out of the pan and add the rest of my veggies. First, I'll saute the mini bell peppers and the onions. They have been seasoned with salt, pepper, and the garlic powder as well. So cook for a little bit, then I'll add the mushrooms and then the tomatoes at the end. And there we are, the rest of the veggies and seasoned as well. Okay, so all my veggies have sauteed. They're all done. I've turned this off and they're just now resting. And I'm going to go ahead and start preparing my phyllo dough pizza. And here is my phyllo dough pizza, and I now need to put some cheeses on it and put all my little veggies, top it off with more cheese, and then put them in the oven just for a little bit till the cheese has melted. First, a spread of goat cheese. Oh, and I forgot that I did have a shredded Italian blend, so I went ahead and I put that on there as well. Next, I added a bit of brie, and then I'll add some more on the top. And now I've layered some asparagus. Alright, so there we go. It's been topped with some more of that cheese, the Italian blend, some more of the brie, and then I also grated some Parmesan on top. And now I'm just going to sprinkle the lemon zest from the lemon. You can't see it falling on there, but I am sprinkling on both of the pizzas. These are going to go in the oven now at 350 for about maybe 5-7 minutes at the most, just to make sure that some of that cheese has gotten nice and melty, and they will be ready to eat. Alright, my pizzas are out of the oven, and this is what they're looking like. Very nice and delicious. Look at that brie all melted in there, little bits there. Onions and the mushrooms, tomatoes, and the yummy lemony asparagus. I'm just going to go ahead and top it off with some chopped up parsley, and then if you want, you could also top it off with some more of the grated Parmesan. So that's it, everyone. I'm going to give myself a big old thumbs up. I hope that you too will give me a big old thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and hit that notification bell. I have videos every Tuesday and every Friday, and once in a while I have one on the weekends. Alright everyone, I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Leave a nice comment down below. Share your social medias, and as always, enjoy.